Welcome to another episode of I Need Facts. Don't forget to click the subscribe button for our daily uploads of interesting things. Are you sick of looking online for different schemes to make money? I have scoured the internet and I've found the number one idea for making money anybody can do, and you can start it with as little as £5 with great returns. I've found with a website called Wish, you can buy direct from Chinese factories, then put those same items on Facebook's marketplace and sell them for up to 50% more than you paid. And you might already be familiar with Wish, but some people don't want to wait for the long delivery times, and they also don't want to pay a retail price that you would pay in a normal store, so they will happily buy it from you and be able to collect it the same day for the same item that's on Wish for double the price. I know there's many people making a similar video, but I spent $3,500 to test out the theory that I know works 100%, and I made £3,500 profit, which is about $5,000, and I'll show you with the proof. So keep watching all the way to the end and I'll show you exactly how to do it. The basic business idea is that nobody wants to wait long times for shipping from abroad. So the first thing we're going to do is visit a website called Wish, which is wish.com. Now what we're looking for is anything that is popular, mobile phones, anything that you think will sell, and you will know as a person what sells. For instance, if you're a mechanic, different tools; if you're a hairdresser, different hair products; if you own a nail salon, different nail varnishes. Anything that you are interested in, computers, games, science, anything will be on this website to buy direct from factories, direct to your door from China. The problem is, these websites, they take 4 to 6 weeks to be delivered. The delivery is guaranteed, so your money will never be lost. I copied some photos from the Wish website and then posted them onto Facebook, and within minutes I had people messaging me for the product, which was a mobile phone, at a £40 increase, which is about $60 more than I paid for it. While doing my research for this video, I came across a really hot product, which is this 10-piece teeth whitening kit. There's two different sizes of kits. One is 5 pieces and the other kit is 10 pieces of teeth whitening gel, and these sell for £20 on Facebook, so that's a massive profit. Before going to the checkout, always check for a token which is displayed at the top of the screen. In this case, you type in the word joy at the checkout and it will save you 15%. As you can see on this order, I saved nearly £15, which is a massive saving, which will go into your pocket when you sell your item when it's received into your country. So moving on to the test that I did on this business idea. I purchased 100 chainsaws, which is something I know about because I work in the construction industry, for $35 each, which works out about £28. The shipping, which came by container, was roughly £2 per chainsaw. The chainsaws arrived in the UK roughly 5 weeks later. It was nice quality, they had some decent packaging, so the next part of this process was to sell them as quick as we can on Facebook, which is very simple. So on your home screen on Facebook, we'll click on Marketplace, which is on the left hand side, the fourth one down. A small box will pop up in the center of the screen, and it is just as simple as typing in what category you'd like your tool to go in. For instance, this is a tool, so chainsaws or whatever you're selling. Write a short description, how much it is, then add 2 or 3 good quality photos of whatever it is you're selling. Beauty is there's no shipping that you have to do as a seller. People will collect from yourself. You can set the distance, so the advert will only go out to people within a 10-mile radius within your local town, and that is it. As simple as that. People inbox you and come and collect what you're selling. It really is that simple. I've added a few screenshots from my Facebook page of people asking for the saws and the sheer volume of them. So the other problem that you can have is not having enough stock, which is always something to think about. I hope this information can be useful to you. Even if you're starting off on a small website like Wish, spending $1 or $2, you can always up it to where you're buying from the manufacturer on the Alibaba website. I'll put all the links in the description, and I genuinely hope you can make some money selling whatever it is you like to sell. This video is not supported or sponsored by anybody, it's just a YouTube video. I'm getting nothing for promoting the websites, only the fact that I've tested the method and you can definitely make money. If you have any questions or need any help, leave a comment down below. I'll answer all the messages. See you next time guys, don't forget to subscribe.